Yeah, welcome back to the setting of your shop or office after completing your registration on NSK Trade Hub platform. Now, as you can see, I am logged in as a Solution Soft, which was the one I used last. So let's scroll down to we are done with these portions. So let's go down to the remaining portion. Now it is payment you have to start from because we have done from this location up. Then click on payment. So after clicking on payment, this is where it brought me to. After it brought me to this place, look at this is the information about payment which we need to supply. Now look, I say preferred payment method. What you can see here is transfer. Then click this arrow, you have it to like this. Choose withdrawal payment method, bank transfer. For instance, now you choose this one, withdrawal payment. You have no information to supply. You understand? So anyone you prefer, you go by it. Like this, choose withdrawal payment method. Okay. If you want, you go by transfer. And when you go by transfer, all you just need to do is fill your bank detail. The most important one that is needed here mainly is account name. You fill this your account name, fill this account number, fill your bank name. Any other one is if you like this bank address, routing number, this IBAN is not for Nigerian. Swift code, if you like, you add your Swift code. This last one is not for Nigerians. Then for Swift code and routing number, we'll have them on our platform. If you get to there's a page where we have all the list of tutorials and informations and anything you need, anything you want to know about this platform, you will find it on that particular page. If you get there, you see a list of things you would like to check on. So if you want to add them here, get to that page, you will see the one that said Swift code of Nigerian banks. You will still see the one that say routing numbers of Nigerian banks. Go there, search for your bank, get their Swift code, get their routing number, and come and add there. If you don't want, there is no problem with it. Add only your account number, account name, account number, and the bank name. That's all. Then come and click save. That is over. The next one is shipping. Then this shipping, you can see here, I have touched this before now, so that's why you can see some kind of some little things, but there's no issues with that. Enable shipping, you can enable shipping, you can disable shipping. Then if you are a type that is selling products that need to be shipped, like someone can buy from you and you send it to the person, you have to enable shipping. But if you are not that type, for instance, you are a service provider, maybe someone that offers a service, any kind of service at all, maybe booking service, hotel, renting equipment, maybe something like maybe a saloon person that is maybe booking a service or something like that. Maybe someone that is repairing anything, any service at all, as long as your job is a kind of service that you offer to people, you don't need to enable shipping. You have to, when you get to this portion, you click like this, so it will be disenabled, so you don't have to fill it. But once you are the type that is shipping products, you have to enable it. So when you enable it, now look at the next thing that says processing time. You can see one day here. If you click this arrow, you see so many other days. So you can see 1 business day, 1 to 2 business day, 1 to 3 business day, and so on. So any one you choose, depending on what you want. What you want here is this. What you need to consider here is this. This processing time is a time required when someone sees your product on this platform and order it. You receive a message that someone have ordered a product. How long will it take you to prepare that product, package it, and ship it? If it can take you at least 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 1 day to package that product and move it for shipping, you choose it. So if it will take you like 2 days, excuse me, if it will take you like 2 days to package the product and ship it is not when it will get to the person. No. Ship it, I mean when it will leave your office, your shop. How long will it take the product to be packaged in your shop and then move to shipping? You choose either 1 to 2 to 6 to 8 weeks, and you should be aware, the earlier you ship your product, no one will will be better for you. No one will like to pay for a product today and expect to get it in a week's time. In a week's time is wrong. So think of how fast you can be and choose right. You understand? So this other one is shipping type. If you take a look at this place, you can see shipping type. 1, you can see here is shipping zone. Click this arrow, you see other shipping type. This is shipping zone, shipping by weight, and shipping by distance. Let me come for shipping by distance. I choose shipping by distance. If you want to be shipping your product using distance, then go by shipping by distance. When you go to this place now, you have to set up this field. Shipping by distance said, number 1, default cost. This default cost is the basic cost of your shipping. For instance, every shipping you need to make must at least cost, even if it's just a stone throw distance, it must at least cost a particular price. So that price you would like it to cost is what you have to put here. Maybe it is 500 naira. You can say at least it will cost 500 naira. Is your choice. Then this one says maximum distance. If you like, you choose limit. If you like, you choose no limit. If you like, you add maximum distance. For instance, you can say maybe maximum of 50 kilometers. You can leave it like that. that you don't want to ship a product to a place that is far than 50 kilometers, it is your choice. But I advise you to be um, be ready, or advise you to be able to ship to anywhere around Nsukka. So I would suggest no limit, because this whole thing we are doing here revolve around Nsukka senatorial zone, including Isuzu. So I don't think you have need to put area you will, a distance you will cover. You understand? So I don't suggest you add that. But if you wish to add it, it's your wish. As a vendor, it is your wish. Now the next one is a free shipping. Minimum excuse me. Free shipping minimum order amount. This one that says minimum order amount. If you want to include free shipping on your distance shipping method, you can add a minimum order amount. That is the least amount someone have to pay. That is, someone is buying a product of, maybe buying some product from you. Maybe he bought maybe one shoe, one shirt, one trouser, something of this kind. How many, if you add all of them, what is the amount the person, at least that person can spend before you will be able to ship it free to the person? That is, someone come to this NSK platform, sees your product and like it. Maybe you are selling wears, maybe female, male wear, shoes and that kind of things. Then the person now pick shoe, pick shirts, pick trouser, maybe pick some other things. What is the least amount of the products, total products he will buy? What is the least amount of the total product he or she is paying for or will pay, so that you'll be able to ship it free? You consider that and add the amount. If it is, maybe you want the person to pay at least 30,000, you can add 30,000. If you want it to be 50,000, you can add it to be 50,000. If you want it to be even maybe 10,000, you can still do it. You understand that if someone buys products from you that cost up to 10,000, then you ship it free to the person. Fine, it is your choice. But as for me, I will believe here, no free shipping. Now, the next one that says enable local pickup. Yes, there is one that is called local pickup. Yes, for instance, now you are in Nsukka town, let me say Ogige Market. Then every sellers within Nsukka town will have a pickup station. You understand? There is a local pickup, a particular place where buyers can come to pick up their order. For instance, someone comes online, sees your shoe you're selling and paid for it, and requests to pick it from local pickup or local pickup station. If the person choose local pickup, then you will know the local pickup that is close to you. Like Osoka will have their own, Osoka town will have their own, or let me just tell you, every local government have their own. Every local government that make up Osoka's senatorial zone, including Isuzu, have their own local pickup station. So when it involves local pickup station, you the seller, when you receive an order that someone paid for a product and chooses a local pickup, your job is to package the product, and take it to the local pickup station within your region. You now take it to there and keep it. Then the buyer will have to come there and pick it up. Now, if you want the buyer to pay for the local pickup, fine, you can add the amount you want the buyer to pay. This one usually becomes a fixed price. You understand? So you add the particular a fixed price a buyer have to pay to get his or her product from the pickup station. But most times I advise you to leave it free, so that this one will be free. The buyer have to come all the way from where he or she is. Transport come there and pick it. So you, that is the seller, should just bear the cost of bringing it to the pickup station that is around you within your region. For it, like Nsoka will have their own, Ibeze North will have their own, Ibeze South will have their own, Udenu will have their own, Uzuwan will have their own. Everywhere will have their own. Ibeze is the same way, have their own pickup station, so that anything you're selling and the person chooses pickup station, or the person requests a particular pickup station, you now have to take it to the pickup station, and the person have to come to the pickup station and take it. But if you want to put a fixed price for it, fine. But bear it in mind that buyers here have to consider a lot of things before they pay. No one wants to waste money. No one wants to spend much money. All they want, who is selling cheaper, which one is, less cost. So no one wants to spend more. So think of how you can make your own, a bit cheaper and also very good, and everything will be okay. Because if someone buys from you today and something about your product, something about your service, something about all about you, makes him her unhappy, tomorrow the person may not buy from you again. And in this platform, the more buyers you get is a serious advantage, because as time goes on, we will still see the advantage of people buying from you, paying here, people recommending you, like giving a review. Do you understand? So people have to be given, buyers have to be given reviews about the product, about the seller. I bought from so person, this product is good, I used it, is okay. Say some good thing about you. All these things they have to say about you will make other people to buy from you still. So do your best to think well and know how to manage your whole product, your whole customer service, everything you need to do to make people to be, giving a good review about you, about your product. Okay, let's move on. So this is the price. If you like, you put. Then this one say distance rule. Now when it comes to this distance rule, say distance up to is to distance up to, distance more than. So choose any of these. So I say distance up to 20 kilometers cost 2,000. Do you get? If you like, I choose distance up to 20 kilometers cost 2,000. If that's not enough, I can still come and click this plus and get distance more than 20 kilometers will cost let me say 5,000. This is just example I'm giving here. You must not do exactly what I'm doing. So think of what you want and fix it. If this one is not enough for you, you can still add and fix it. Any rule, anything you want to add, you add. If you don't want, you can remove it from here. You understand? So this is this. I believe you got this about shipping. I believe you got all this about shipping. If you still have questions, you can contact us. Then you can come and click save. I don't want to click save now. I want to teach on delivery time. After I set it up finish, I will now come and click save for all the work I've done. Now let's enter delivery time. Click delivery time. Now, oh, so sorry, let me go back. I'm not done yet with shipping. Yes, I'm not done yet with shipping. Let me go back to shipping. So in this shipping, I taught you, what I showed you now is about shipping by distance, and that's this example I gave you here. Okay, there's another shipping method called shipping by weight. I choose shipping by weight. If the product you sell, I've done some things here, but there's no problem, all the same. If the product you sell are kind of maybe things you want to be measuring by weight, something like cement. Cement is a bit heavy. I'm just using cement as an example. If you're selling products that are heavy, that you want to use the heaviness of the product to judge, to decide how the cost of your shipping, then you can use shipping by weight. Now look at this. Now I say free shipping, minimum order amount of free shipping. What we put here is 500,000. Yes, you can do your own, you can put your own. You can say no free shipping. You can say yes, for me to do free shipping, you must have to buy up to 500,000. Yes, you must have to spend up to 500,000 before I can ship for free. You get? Now that is over. This one is a enable local pickup. If you still want this about local pickup I explained in the other one, it's still the same thing. Yes, if you don't want it, you can disable it. If you want it, you can enable it. If you want to put a price for it, you put a price. If you don't want to put a price, it's still fine. So that is your choice. Now this was a country and weight wise shipping rate. Now country we are is Nigeria, and that is the only country where we are. Now, calculate cost based rule. So similarly to the other one, based on rule, per unit cost. Which one do you want? Let's discuss based on rule. Now, based on rule, say country default cost if no matching rule. If no matching rule, what will be the price? What will be the cost? You can add anything you like. You can just say maybe 2,000 if you want. If you like, you leave it for free. It's a choice. You understand? It's a choice. What I'm giving here is just example. So you critically think. You think well before you set up all this. Now look at the rule. Weight cost rule. This is similar thing we did in the other one. Weight up to. Weight up to. Weight more than. You can say weight up to 50 kg should cost 500 naira. For instance, you can come on here and add weight more than 50 kg will cost maybe 2,000 naira. You get, it's your choice. Anything you like, you set. But consider not just setting. Consider customers' feeling, how customers will say it, what are others doing, the minimum amount you think you can use, and set up this, still make gain. Think of it very well, because if your own is high, that's the cost of your own is high, the customer may go for lower price. But I'm not saying you should, because of lower price or higher price, then go and set what you cannot afford. No, have a standard. Yes, have a standard and maintain your standard. Make sure you offer quality services, quality product, quality everything. Someone that buy from you today and become satisfied will still come back tomorrow to buy and will give a good review about you. If you give a lower price and offer quality service, offer quality and offer a non-quality service, a non-quality the fact when your customer become unsatisfied even with your low price, definitely the customer will not give a good review about you and the customer will not come back. So think well. You are not the only person selling on this platform. Do your best to sell your product. Become the best. Think well before you fix this. Okay, so if this one is not okay for you, you can still click and add again. So I don't need this one. I have to close it. Then look at this place that says based on rule. If you don't want to based on rule, we can say per unit cost. For instance, if it is a cement you are selling, you now say the unit cost, maybe one bag of cement must cost at least 500 naira. So that 500 naira will times how many bags that person buys. Do you get? So that's this one. So it's all your choice. If you like, you do this one. Come and still add another one here and choose based on rule and still do, set up this whole thing the way you want. You can come here and still say the same thing we did the other place. You know, say the fourth one is maybe let's say 2,000. You can come to this one, okay? You say up to this 50 kg must cost maybe 3,000. You can come here and still say um more than this will cost more than 50 kg will cost maybe 5,000. It is your choice. All I'm advising is to think well before you choose. Set this routine, clearly. You cool down, don't rush, calmly organize this in a way. You know your business, you know how you sell, you know how you make gain. Fix everything well so that you will sell and make gain, and not targeting too much gain. Just plan yourself the same way you say your normal physical products. Think well to sell on this platform wisely and make good profit. And be aware, the more you sell, the more gain you make. And the essence of this platform is for more sales. Yes, for easy and more sales. Simple. So let me go back. In previous one, we have discussed shipping by weight. Now we go by shipping by zone. Now this shipping by zone said we have created. If you look here, you see zone name, region, and shipping method. Yes, when I said so, if we can see here in Nsukka district, so this whole zone, the zone here is in Nsukka district, and it's only in Nsukka district we are shipping to. So this one that is here simply is a normal thing. Don't mind it didn't include Nsukka because Nsukka is not part of what is given there, and that's why you're not seeing Nsukka that place. Though even if I want to add Nsukka, I think I can add, but that's not an issue. Keep that one aside. What matters here is this zone you're seeing here and here. So we have Nsukka district. So this one has to do with the entire Nsukka zone, including Isuzu. So when you're setting up, I have choose this one. If you get to this particular place, choose shipping zone. It will give you an option where you will choose this, because I have tampered with this before now. That's why you can see these things here. So when you choose zone, and this is the only zone we have there, automatically when you choose this zone, this whole thing will come out. This one, you can see a location not covered by your other zone. I will not do anything with this. This one serves what we need. So we allow this one to be here for being the sake. In case of future we want to make adjustments, then we'll make adjustments through here. Now focus on this. Now if you like, I click on this Nsukka district. That is a zone. Look at it. This is where it brings us to. You now say the name of the zone is Nsukka district. Zone location, look at Africa, Nigeria, Enugu. Still Nsukka. Now limit zone location. I will advise you not to pick this. I will advise you not to pick this. Just leave it like this. If you pick this, you now have to put your code, and the postal code you're going to put here is the code where you will ship to. That's where you will limit your shipping to. And I wouldn't want you to limit your shipping. Allow your shipping to be entire Nsukka Senatorial Zone, including Isuzu. So that's why I would not advise you to pick this. So leave it. Now the next thing is add shipping method. Now shipping method here, you click here to add your shipping method. When you click here, we have set, that is the NSK Trade Hub have set this shipping method for you. So if you don't want to choose other shipping method we showed you, like shipping by weight, shipping by distance, you can choose this one we are giving to you now, and we have set everything for you. Your job here is simply add the one you want. For instance, now I want this flat shipping. It has its own configuration. I set it. I say add. It have added. It have added. It have added. I want to add another one. I click local pickup. Add. So we the NSK Trade Hub have set up these ones for you. If you like, it covers the entire place you have to ship to. You get? So we still advise you to make a right choice. Anyone better for you, you go for it. Free shipping. We have set the required thing for free shipping. So you click here and then it will add. So all of this is your choice. So these three shipping method we add here is the one we have made and set it up for you to use. But if there's any of them you don't want, you can delete. If there's any of them you want to edit, you can click to edit. But I will advise you, don't try to edit. If you must edit, I think contact us and let us know you want to edit. So we'll give you a guide how you can edit it. Yes. So I think I'm done with shipping now. I can say go back to shipping soon. If you watch, we are back here and we have added our shipping zone. Even though as you are looking here, for this to show, I need to refresh this page so that our shipping method will appear here. So for me to all these are now there already, so no need. So what I want to enter now is this delivery time. So I choose delivery time. When it comes to this delivery time, now this delivery time setting, this has to do with both the vendors or the vendor seller that is selling a product that can be shipped, or vendor or service providers that is selling a service that cannot be shipped. For instance, maybe the kind of thing you do is maybe it's a hotel services. Yes, in hotel services, it is booking. You book a hotel room or book a hotel hall, maybe to use it for an event, or you are somebody into renting. People can rent some of the equipment you're offering. People, you can still use everybody. In fact, everyone on this platform, because this platform involves any kind of thing you're doing at all. Any kind of thing you're doing at all. Even freelancers can use this platform. Anything you're doing on earth, like any service you're offering, any product you're selling, as long as it's a genuine product approved by law, you can offer that service on this platform. Yes, you can offer that service on this platform. If you're selling anything, you can still sell it on this platform. Don't worry, by the time I will explain, I will do video on product upload and service upload. I will show you the differences and the many areas you can, many areas that can use this. So now every single person, every single vendor, call yourself vendor, seller, service provider, anything at all, you can use this delivery time. This delivery time here, look at it, enable delivery time. That's what we did here. Yes, it is okay. Now set weekday off. I set this Sunday off. If I like, I remove it. But on normal, you need to set, because we don't do services Sundays. Our delivery services don't work on Sunday. Yes, our delivery service don't work on Sunday. So for you to use our delivery service, it doesn't work on Sunday. So that's why I automatically choose Sunday as off day. If you want to maybe this is not enough for you, you want to add maybe something like Saturday, you can still click here and choose maybe Saturday. Any other day you want to set to be off, you can still click here and add it. You understand? So but only Sunday I want, so I will leave my Sunday to be the off day. You understand? I'll leave only my Sunday to be the off day. So now I'm done with that. Now the next one says starts from. This start from, if you click here, you see this is 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 2 hours, and the rest of them. Okay, let me just go by 30 minutes. You now say starts from 30 minutes after order time. Start from 30 minutes after order time. This thing means the time. If a buyer place an order on this platform, that is place an order for your product, what time, from which time can the buyer choose a delivery time? This is 30 minutes. So meaning the buyer can choose delivery time after 30 minutes of placing order. For instance, if a buyer placed an order 2 o'clock p.m., that means for the buyer to choose a delivery time, he has to choose from 2:30 up. You understand? The buyer have to choose from 2:30 up. Then look at this one. I said, now come here. Say 2 days. For instance, now you want your buyer to schedule. It does say show up to 2 days schedule times. The maximum time a buyer can choose for his or her product to be delivered after placing order. Example, if a buyer placed an order today, let me say by 2 p.m. today, now the buyer can choose the product to be delivered. The maximum he can choose is 2 days. Like the other one is, he cannot choose, the other one, the first one says choose from 30 minutes up. So meaning he cannot choose less than 30 minutes. No matter how urgent he wants the product to be delivered, he cannot choose less than 30 minutes for the product to be delivered. That is for you to start the delivering, for him to start expecting the delivering. For instance, he placed an order 2 p.m. So he has to wait for 30 minutes before he starts, before he chooses, I want this order to be delivered within 2 p.m. till so time. You understand? And this other one that says 2 days, now give you example, 2 days is maximum time the person can choose. As the other one is minimum time, the other one is maximum time the person can choose. So the person cannot choose what is more than 2 days. It is your choice as a vendor. You choose what you want the person, how long and how short you want the time. Because when a buyer place an order, he will have rights to choose, I want this product to be delivered next 1 hour, next 2 hours, next 3 hours, next day, next 2 days, next week. So that's why you see all these things here. You choose. This one says 7 days, 6 days, 5 days, 4 days till 30 minutes. So the one you want, you go by 8. You understand? The one you want, you go by 8. The same way here, the one you want, you go by 8. Then this slot duration. This slot duration is, you can still click and look at the time intervals. 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 2 hours, 3 hours, till 24 hours. You understand? So this is a time range. For instance, if the buyer place an order now, this is 2 p.m. he placed an order, and for him to start expecting this product, it must be from 2:30. Therefore, he can choose, I want this order to be delivered within 2:30 and 3:30. You understand? So the buyer can choose between this time. But depending on duration you set here, if you set like this 12 hours, so that means the buyer can choose between 2:30 till 12 hours. That the product must be delivered to the buyer within 12 hours. If you choose 60 minutes, remember what you choose here. So this should not be, even if you choose 60 minutes, still fine. The starting must be 30 minutes. Then when it starts 30 minutes, calculate it, the range must be at least 60 minutes. So it is your choice. The maximum duration it will take for you to deliver the product, that is this one. So this one is just format, date and time, only date, only time. The one you choose, you want, you choose. I choose both. So this one now we are entering that daily basis delivering time slots. Daily basis delivering time slots. These are just days and the time your shop, like I said before, this thing that has to do with the delivery involves every person, every vendor, every seller, every service provider on this platform. This delivering thing includes you. Yes, this delivery thing includes you. So let's move on. Like now, this one said Monday time slots. On Monday, do you open on Monday? Yes. Okay, what time do you open on Monday? 8 a.m. If you click, if it's not 8 a.m., you click and choose your time. You can see 8 a.m. You touch a.m. to confirm it. You move this thing around to choose your time. You move it around to choose your time. I have choose 8 and it is 8:00 and that's 8 a.m. Set. When are you closing for the day? That's Monday. You click 6 p.m. Can you see 6 p.m.? You move this. Choose 6 p.m. Then minutes 00. Then p.m. You set. So this is showing in 24 hours, but don't bother. You can see how you set it. It was showing in 12 hours, like Nigerian time. The buyer will be seeing the same 12 hours. You understand? So the same way Tuesday, the same way Wednesday, the same way Thursday, the same way Friday, the same way Saturday. If you are opening in all of this, but any day you're not opening, because look at here, we don't have Sunday because of what? I have removed Sunday. I set Sunday to be off day. So all this is things you have to calmly go through and gently set them. So I don't want this tutorial to be too long, but let me see if I can still do this SEO today. Okay, let me leave it because this SEO have some little long thing. Yes, so I have to stop at this delivery time today. Let me go and click save so that I'll save all this I have set. If you like, each one you set, you save it. If you like, if you save all you want to set, if you set all you want to set, you now come and click save. So I have to stop here today and continue the next video from SEO because I don't usually want my videos to be too long, just to be making it short. So like I said, I will clearly teach all of this. Yes, I will clearly teach all of this. Anything you did not understand, get my attention get our attention through the customer care. And our customer care is a very simple type. It is on WhatsApp, email, phone number. If you like, you call us. If you like, you chat us on WhatsApp. If you like, you send us email. Anyone you like, you get. So I have to stop here. Thank you.